Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 7, Congruence of triangle. What is the mean of congruence? That means equal shape wise and area wise. That is the congruent. So first exercise 7.1, that is first question, complete the following statement. Two line segment are congruent if that will be equal. Among two congruent angle, one has a measure of 70 degree, the measure of the other angle is also that will be 70. When we write angle A is equal to angle B, we actually mean that is equal. Give any two, second question, give any two real life example for congruent shape. So that congruent shape means that will be two example. So that like this you can say that two triangles, and then this side equal, this side equal, this side equal. This is the congruent. You can see many example at your home, and then like this you can see the chairs also, pair of chairs that are also congruent, and then pair of that table also. Many more examples are there. Third question, if ABC, triangle ABC is equal to triangle FED under the correspondence ABC FED, write all the corresponding congruent part of the triangle. So first of all we will draw the triangle, that is ABC, and then FED, so that AB is equal to FE. First thing, that second is BC is equal to ED. Third thing is AC is equal to FD. These things will be equal, and then angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle D. It means this side equal will be, this will be equal, this will be equal, and this angle will equal, this angle also, this angle also. And then fourth question, if triangle DEF and BCA, write the parts of BCA that correspondent to that. For fourth question also we will draw the diagram, that is two triangles are there, DEF, and then BCA. So in first part they are saying angle E is equal to, that will be angle C, and then B part is that, so second part EF, that will be CA, and then fourth part, so third part, that angle F is equal to, that will be angle A, and then DF, fourth part, DF is equal to, that will be BA. Okay, and then next exercise, (7.2), that you will see which congruent criterion do you use in the following. that means all the sides are given. All the sides are given. So in first A part we will write SSS, SSS, SS as congruence criterion. Congruence criterion. Congruence criterion. Right? And then B, two sides are given and one angle is given. So side angle, side congruence criterion. And then C part, that two angle and one side is given. Two angle and one side is given. So that angle, side, angle, congruence criterion. D part, that two sides and one angle is given, that is 90 degree. So that will be RHS, right hypotenuse side congruence criterion. Second question, you want to show triangle ART is congruent PEN if you have used SSS congruent criterion. So that diagram is already is given here. So AR is equal to that A part first. AR is equal to, so that AR is equal to PE, and then second RT is equal to EN, RT is equal to EN, and then third part AT is equal to PN, AT is equal to PN. B, that is a question number 2. Now we will take that SAS, angle is given that, and then again RT is equal to that we have written already EN, that for first. Second PN is equal to that will be PN is equal to AT, and then C part, that one side is given, we will find the two angle. So in first part that will be angle A is equal to angle P, angle A is equal to angle P. Second part, angle R is equal to angle E, angle R is equal to angle E. And then question number 3, you have to show that AMP congruent triangle AMQ, so that you will fill the book here, that first part PM is equal to, that is given. For third question, that is given, you will fill in that is also given. In second also given. And for third, that is common. Common means if we are taking any side or any angle for both triangle, that is a common. So that fourth part, that is we have taken here two sides and one angle, so that will be side angle side, that will become. And then question number 4, in a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30, angle B is equal to 40, angle C is equal to 110, and then PQR, P is equal to 30, Q is equal to 40, R is equal to 110. A student are saying that ABC congruent PQR by AAA is not possible. AAA is not possible. So that will be no. At least one side must be included for congruence criterion. Fifth question, that in the figure the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding part are marked. We can write triangle RAT, triangle RAT congruent triangle, that means secant that RAT, so that will be WON, triangle WON. Sixth question, that is complete the congruent statement, that triangle BCA, first triangle BCA congruence triangle BCA, so BTA, triangle BTA, and then second triangle QRS, QRS is not given, that diagram complete the congruence statement QRS. From where this is taken? Diagram is not there. QRS. Then we can first of all we will draw the diagram, and then after we will write that thing. Okay, so leave that. 7. In a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal area such that triangles are congruent. So you will be draw that sheet, square sheet, and then you will be, this is the, it means that is the activity type of work. First of all you will be take a square triangle, and then you will cut into equal area that triangle, and to not equal area, that will be not congruent. Okay, in first part you will be cut like this, two triangle will be same, and then for second part you will be cut that both are not same in shape and size and by area, so that will be not congruent, or that will be congruent. This will be not congruent. Draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 pair of congruent part, but still triangle are not congruent. Still draw a rough sketch of two triangles such they have 5 pair of congruent part, but still the triangle are not congruent. It means that is that will be 8th question. If the 5 sides are equal, it's not possible to that it will be not congruent. So that will be not possible, not possible. 9th question, if A, B, C and P, Q, R are to be a congruent, name one additional pair corresponding part. What criterion did you use? BC is equal to QR. That will be one side we will take BC is equal to QR, or we have taken the criterion that ASA, that is congruence criterion. Congruence criterion. And then 10th question, that is explain why. Explain why. It means ABC and FED are the congruent. Why? Because that is BC is equal to, that is BC is equal to ED, and then angle B is equal to angle E, and then angle A is equal to angle F. Three things are there. Okay.